Professor Dr. Warawut Visudmetangul to give the prize to the winner.
And for half marathon, 21.1 kilometers overall outside the Asian. Number 1 goes to Negash from Ethiopia. Congratulations. Congratulations. Oh, thank you very much for joining us. Really a record of history. Yeah. All right. The second prize goes to Kipruto Rotich from Kenya. Okay, congratulations. And the third prize, Mr. Cyrus Mayu Kamal. Okay, all right, congratulations. Okay, take picture together up front. And Mr. Kamal, where are you from? From Kenya as well. Oh, too, from Kenya. Thank you. Okay, please take picture. Okay, with the Vice President. Okay, here we go. Congratulations once again.